Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to talk to you today, and in this video I'm going to be talking about what you can customize inside of Dubsado. One of the things that I absolutely love about using Dubsado is the fact that you can really make it your own. A lot of platforms now are making it very easy for you to customize them, allow you to bring in your branding and really enhance the aesthetic of the platform and how you're using it. And that is the goal with Dubsado. Dubsado is there to help you enhance your client experience. And so in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 ways you can customize your Dubsado so that it enhances your client experience. So definitely stick around. So if you're new to the channel, definitely make sure you hit subscribe, drop a like. If you enjoy this video, please do share a comment. Your support means the world to me. So for those of you who are using Dubsado, if you haven't yet started to brand it out, this is a perfect video to give you some ideas on where you can start. Now, the most popular idea is starting with the client forms. This is by far the biggest feature of using Dubsado, is all of the forms. And there are 5 different types of forms that you will use in your business. You have the lead capture form, the proposal, questionnaires, subcontracts, and contracts. All of these forms can be customized one way or another. And the way that we do this is I like to use Canva. Canva is my platform and tool of choice to help me to create branded on-brand forms and enhance them with my aesthetic, with my images, and really make my forms pop. So I use my own Canva templates. I will drop a link below so that you can also access the same templates that I use in my business and help me to brand out my Dubsado. The CEO System Design Kit is what I use to do that. For my client forms, I like to use a mixture of different types of templates. So I like to switch it up. Some of my templates have my face or my brand shots in there. Some use my just wording, and you can add in your colors, your fonts. Canva makes it so easy for you to customize your templates and then just upload them into the Dubsado image gallery. Now, once you upload images into the image gallery, it is so easy because then you can find those images and use them throughout your Dubsado forms. So it's not a case of if you upload images for the lead capture form, they are only there for the lead capture form. You can also use the same images in your questionnaires for contracts. But I do like to create custom headers for each type of form. So for example, my contact me form is going to look different to my proposal form, and my proposal form is going to have a different header to my contract form, and vice versa, the same for my feedback form. So you can really customize your experience, and it keeps your clients on their toes because everything just comes through and looking really beautifully branded. So this is by far my most favorite feature. I love to do this for clients in their setups, and I also love to see what other people are doing as well. So that is the first area where you can absolutely brand out your Dubsado. The next area that I love to customize is the client portal. And I'll link a video of where I actually branded out my client portal. I switched up the aesthetics. We're going through a bit of a refresh in our business. So I wanted to create a look and feel in my client portal that was in line with my new look. So you can upload your banners to the client portal area, and this is a banner for your desktop but also for mobile as well, so you can have different banners for both uses. But what I also love about the client portal is that you can also customize the vibe of the portal. Now, you don't have extensive design freedom, but you do have the ability to change the font color of the fonts, the logout button on the client portal, but also change up the colors of the header tabs in the portal as well. So definitely check out the video. I'll link that below on how you can brand out your client portal, and that will definitely give you some guidance on how you can get started with it. So the next area is the email signature. Now, I use a custom design email signature in my Gmail, and I also want to ensure that the emails going out from Dubsado include the same email signature. And so you can actually add that in inside of your canned email template area. There is an area called email signature signature, and Dubsado allows you the capabilities to upload an image and use your same email signature. So if you do custom email signatures and if you use that in your business, you can upload this into Dubsado, and every time you use the smart field link in your emails, a brand email signature, your new custom signature will appear for each email. So it enhances your experience, it keeps everything in line. So if you email clients directly from Dubsado, or if you email clients from your Gmail inbox, then your signature will show up exactly the same. And I love that. So the next area of way that you can also enhance and brand out your Dubsado is in your brand settings. So make sure that you are uploading your logo, make sure that you are adding in your brand color as well. This is the color that will show up. So it will show up for links that you use in your emails. It will show up as buttons that you use on your emails and your forms. And so this is a really great way to just keep your brand colors incorporated throughout. Now you are able to also add fonts and use fonts. There are two ways to do this, particularly with the forms. So the first way is in the forms settings, and you can select a font, so that will allow you to change your font. So if you use Montserrat, for example, you can switch up the font questions. But if you do use coding, this just takes it down a slightly more technical route, but there are programs where you can enhance your font questions and you can bring in your fonts using coding in the forms. And so Dubsado does allow for you to use custom coding inside of your forms if you are that way inclined. So the final way that you can also customize your Dubsado is you can white label your Dubsado and actually white label with your URL. So if you want to remove a Dubsado from your links, for example, when you're sharing out the client portal or you're sharing your lead capture form and you want your URL link instead, you want to use that instead, then you can white label and customize your link inside of Dubsado, inside of the settings. And this is a great way for you to just ensure that, again, it is attached to your brand, it's attached to your company name, and your clients can see that you are a part of it. So definitely recommend having a look at the settings within your host, your domain host provider, website settings, and it's a very simple process. Follow the instructions and you'll be able to white label your URL in Dubsado. So those are just 5 quick fire ways where you can customize your Dubsado. And if you do want to fully brand out your Dubsado, I highly recommend that you go ahead and grab the CEO System Design Kit. This is my Dubsado Canva template pack, which allows you to customize your forms, your email signatures, and your client portals, and allows you to create a very enhanced branded client experience with the help of Dubsado. No coding is necessary. This is a purely Canva-based template pack. So definitely hit the link below and you can grab that and have access to get designing straight away. If you enjoyed this video, definitely hit a like and comment below. Let me know what you have branded out in your Dubsado. If you'd like to see more videos like this, let me know and I will be sure to create more content that you can enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you next time.